Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wajid Ali Khan, and today we are going to learn about a very unique combination of stochastic oscillators and relative strength index. So, without going into any scientific information or history of making these indicators, we are going to learn the impact and usage of these. Simply, I'm going to share how they are benefiting my trade setup. As we all know that all indicators help us to find a good support and resistance in a particular time frame we are trading. We use H1 time frame for our intraday trading strategy. The level shown in picture contains possible support at 20, resistance at 80 and a break reject point at 50. Simply set values for Stoch K%11 showing 6, D%6, RSI period 11, apply to close. These credentials you will find when you are setting up these indicators, and these indicators we have already set up in our MT4 advanced setup video. So levels 20, 50, 80, only set it in stochastic will work for both. 20 oversold, 50 break or rejection point, 80 overbought. Just keep these terminologies in your mind. Using them is as simple as ABC. Just observe both of the stochastic blue and red lines synchronized and moving in same direction. Then we wait for oversold 20 level to find an entry of a buy in bullish trend, and same we wait for overbought at 80 level to find an entry of a sell in bearish trend. However, the RSI green line moves faster than the other two blue and red lines of stochastic and indicates an earlier direction of price action. Main observing point for RSI is if it is moving above 50 level break or rejection point, then price action will be more towards bullish, and if it is moving under it, then more of bearish movement is expected. Keep your trading chart as simple as possible. So take care for now and wait for the next video.